how do we use past tense? When we use it, how we form it? How do we make a sentence? Okay, with regular verbs. There are two types of verbs, regular and irregular. Regular means like live, lived, lived. दोनों जगह ed use होता है. That is regular. Okay, this is regular verb. Drive, drove, driven. फॉर्म चेंज हो गया वर्ब का. फॉर्म चेंज हो गया वर्ब का मतलब इरेगुलर वर्ब है. राइट, रोट, रिटन. फॉर्म चेंज वर्ब का दैट मीन्स इरेगुलर हो गया वो. ऐसे याद रखो, फॉर्म चेंज हुआ मतलब इरेगुलर हो गया. फॉर्म चेंज नहीं हुआ, लिव, लिव्ड, लिव्ड, तो रेगुलर वर्ब है. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ डू वी यूज दैट.
For regular verbs.
And we'll take a look at some irregular verb.
We will also take a look. So we will, future tense. Okay, we are going to talk what helping verb they have used over there. Future. We will take a look. I will have a look. Okay, I will have a look at your brochure. Future tense. Take a look at some irregular verbs in negative way. Okay, in negative sentences. Let's see how.
Negative sentences
and questions.
And we'll finish as usual with a quiz.
Okay, so let's get started.
So let's get started.
Is a tense in English that we use to talk about an event that happened and finished in the
that happened and finished in the past. Okay, something that already finished in the past. कुछ event जो already complete हो चुका है. It is finished. I completed my work. I have completed the construction. I finished with my meeting. Already finished. Got it? So wherever ed comes, okay, just write down. Verb plus ed जहां पर आ जाता है, that is what? Past. Past verb. What is it? This is a trick to remember. Okay, in which tense the person is talking. किस tense में वो बात कर रहा है. तो verb में जब ed लग जाता है, तो वो automatically past में convert हो जाता है. Past verb. Okay, we talked about it. I looked at your designs. मैंने तुम्हारे designs देख लिए हैं. I completed my work. मैंने अपना work finish कर लिया. I finished my homework. ed. Finish becomes finished. Complete becomes completed. ed लगा means past verb बन गया वो. Okay.
past. Here's Neil with our first example.
Let's see the first
Jack
example.
Dorsey invented Twitter.
So you see, Jack Dorsey invented Twitter. Invent becomes invented. So it talks about past verb. ed lag gaya na verb mein. This is the verb because it is telling you about the action. Action kya ho raha hai? Okay. So it becomes invent becomes invented. In 2006, उसने उस टाइम किया था. I built this house in 2016. Okay, in 2016, something that is already finished. The action has already been completed, and I am talking about it now. पर उस action के बारे में अभी बात कर रही हूँ आपसे. So that is called as past tense.
In 2006.
Thanks, Neil. Now, we often find the past simple in stories like this.
In stories.
The boy started running.
See, over here, running is a present continuous verb. Got it? But उससे पहले कौन सा verb आया है? Start becomes started. He started running in 2006. Okay? So this talks again about past. Although उसके बाद verb continuous लगा हुआ है, पर उसने ये action किया था. Start किया था. Start becomes started. So it changes to past tense. The boy started running.
Suddenly he stopped and listened.
Suddenly he stopped. Stop becomes stopped. ये भी regular verb है. Okay? And listened. Listen becomes listened. तो जब भी हम कोई पुरानी स्टोरी बताते हैं ना या बोलते हैं, तभी हम इस टाइप के वर्ब्स यूज करते हैं. ओके, लॉन्ग वे बैक, आई स्टार्टेड रनिंग, The boy started running. Suddenly he stopped. Then he listened to his mom. Okay, whatever the story is after that.
Wow, sounds like an exciting story. And it had 3 past simple verbs.
So it has how many verbs? It had. Had be past verb hai. Past helping verb. It had how many verbs? Start becomes started, first verb. Stop becomes stopped. Listen becomes listened. So 3 verbs use हुए हैं past में. Clear? So anytime when these verbs are coming, that means we are talking about past.
Started, stopped, and listened.
Listen.
And they are all regular verbs. We make the past simple of regular verbs by adding.
So they are all regular verbs. You can write this. It's very important. These are all regular verbs. So regular verbs में हम क्या add करते हैं last में? E and D. You can see E and D we add at last to the infinitive. Infinitive means play becomes played. Okay? Write अगर wrote बन जाता है तो वो regular verb नहीं है. वो फिर irregular verb है. Play becomes played. Infinite verb में हम add करते हैं ed. Play becomes, play is infinitive और उसमें ed use करते हैं तो it becomes played. Live becomes, live क्या है? Infinitive. Live के साथ ed use करेंगे तो past verb बन जाएगा. Start, infinitive है. ed add करेंगे started बन गया. Listen था infinitive, ed add किया listened बन गया. Right? Clear? No. Just write this adding ed. Add ed. Just write the trick word. Okay? Verb के साथ हम ed बनाते हैं तो वो regular verb बन जाता है. Add ed to the infinitive verb, it becomes past regular verb. So everything is in past here. I finished my work. I completed my work. I started running. I started playing piano in 2001. I listened to Hindi music in 2005. I listened to this music. कभी सुना था मैंने इस म्यूजिक के बारे में. Actually इसको हम इस तरीके से भी बोल सकते हैं. I used to listen. I used to listen. I used to do this thing. ED. Okay? I used to play chess. That way also we can say. We can talk about
and
that.
a D to the infinitive.
So the past simple of start is started.
Started.
The past simple of stop is stopped.
Stopped.
And the past simple of listen is listened.
Okay?
Did you spot the difference in the pronunciation?
So listen, listened. Stop, stopped. Finish, finished. Cook, cooked. Clear? Okay.
No.
Yes, sometimes the E and the D at the end sounds like a T.
Like a
T.
lipped.
Listen. Stopped.
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 Stop.
Sometimes it sounds more like id.
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 Started.
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 Or like a D.
D.
Listened.
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 Let's hear all three again.
Now just hear them again.
Stopped. Started. Listened. Stopped. Started. Listened.
Thanks, Neil. So listen out for those 3 different pronunciations of the past simple ED ending. It's simple, isn't it?
Yes. Well, we are talking about the past simple, but irregular verbs are not quite so simple.
That's true. Can you give us some examples of irregular verbs, please, Neil?
I went to the interview yesterday and got the job.
See, I went to the interview. So इसमें ed नहीं आता है. And they're little bit different and little bit difficult. Like write becomes wrote. Writted नहीं होता है कोई verb. Okay? Write का क्या हो जाता है? I wrote. Got it? Drive, drove. I drove this car. Okay? So this is irregular verb. I went to the interview yesterday. कल गई थी मैं. I went to the interview yesterday. Got the job. And I got the job. The get becomes got. Getted नहीं होगा. I getted the job. Wrong. I got the job. I got it. तो ये क्या हो गया? Irregular verb. Clear? But this is all. This ये जो भी है हम past के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. मैं कल गई थी इंटरव्यू में and I got the job. Okay? Like I cracked this deal on this property in Mapsa. I got the deal. Got it? But this is something about past, Vinod. Is it clear? But this is irregular verb.
Congratulations. And another one, please.
Kurosawa made some wonderful films.
Okay?
So,
Kursana or like from Yash Johar made really beautiful films. Made. Make becomes made. Make kid नहीं होता है कुछ करके. Regular verb में हम ऐसे नहीं यूज करेंगे. तो make क्या है? Irregular verb. Make बन जाता है made. Go भी बन जाता है went. Go, went, gone. Okay?
past simple of go is
Go का क्या बन जाता है? Went. अभी we are just focusing on past. We are not going to past participle. Actually, it's like this: go, went, and gone. But here we are just focusing on past verb. Past irregular verb. Go becomes
Went.
went.
Get is
Get
got.
is got.
and make is
Make
made.
is made. Clear?
And I'm afraid you just have to learn irregular verbs. There is no one simple rule for them.
But the good news is that the past simple is the same for all people.
Okay, it is same for all the people. Okay, she got the job, he got the job, I got the deal, they got the deal. Okay, सबके लिए got वो same ही रहेगा. That is the good news. वो change नहीं होता. Okay, I made it, they made it, she made it, he made it. Okay, you made it. Correct? It doesn't change for other subjects. It remains same for all the people.
Yes, it's I got the job,
I got the job.
you got the job,
You got the job.
he got the job.
Job,
He got
we
the
got the job. They got the job.
Everybody got
Everybody
the
got the
job.
job.
Everybody got the job. It remains same. Clear? So it remains same for all the people. Is it clear?